So guys, in this video I am going to share with you 7 tips that will help you in auto body and painting. My name is Raisen and I am an auto body and paint expert, author and instructor, and welcome to Raisen's Spray Booth. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, the first tip that I am going to share with you is wear your mask. Yes guys, it is very important to protect yourself first, and the painting and everything comes after that. Guys, while you are painting, there is dust in the air, there is gas in the air, there are chemicals in the air which you can inhale and that can go in your lungs guys. So the first thing that you should protect is your lungs, because the damage is on the inner side which you can't see. And when you can't see something guys, you are not too serious about it. But suddenly guys, you will fall sick, and that is the time you will realize that you have done a big mistake. Now there are many types of safety equipments that you should wear guys. But the first one and the most important one is the safety mask or the gas mask. Because it stops harmful gases, chemicals, dust entering your lungs and your system inside guys. Which if you don't protect, your auto body and painting career is going to end soon, which you guys don't want. So before doing anything else guys, protect yourself first and wear your mask every time. While you are doing the sanding, while you are spraying the primer, while you are spraying the base coat or the clear coat, while doing everything guys, wear your mask. Because when you are doing your sanding guys, there is lots of dust in the air which can go in your lungs. When you are spraying the clear coat or the base coat, there are harmful gases in the air guys, and the harmful smell which you will have to inhale. But if you are wearing the gas mask, your lungs are totally protected and nothing is going to go inside. And like this, you can go a long way with your auto body and painting journey guys. So always remember, wear your mask and save yourself first. The second tip is guys, always know your mixing ratios. Yes guys, everything in auto body and painting has a mixing ratio. The body filler has a mixing ratio, the primers have a mixing ratio, the base coats have a mixing ratio, the clear coats have a mixing ratio, even the single stage paint has a mixing ratio guys. So it is your job to know all those mixing ratios, because mixing the paints is a very important thing in auto body and painting guys. Because when you are just starting out, you will not know what are the mixing ratios, and no painter in this world will share with you what are the mixing ratios guys. Because the auto body painters feels that they have certain secrets to keep, so they will not share certain things with everyone guys, because that is how they think guys. They think that if they share the skill with somebody else, then that guy will also learn it and he will also start to make big amount of money, or he might take his place. That is the reason why guys, he is scared to share his expertise. I know this because when I was just starting out guys, I was trying to find knowledge from everywhere. I asked many auto body painters, but they are not ready to share just anything guys. So I paid handsome money to somebody, got all the information, practiced it, failed many times, learned from my mistakes, and that is how I started to get professional like results guys. But I wasted lots of my time and efforts. I wasted lots of the expensive material guys. But now you don't have to do it, because I have created a step-by-step course on it guys. How many of you guys have already enrolled in the course? Do let me know in the comment section below. Because it is a A to Z course guys, and I teach almost everything about auto body and painting inside of this course. I have put a link of the course in the description below guys. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. Guys, knowing to mix the paints is a very important thing. And when you mix the paints again and over time guys, the moment you stir the paint, you will come to know that it is the right mixture. Now how do I know about this? Yes guys, I have done it, and on that experience I can tell you guys. Because when I just started out guys, I was messing up the entire place guys. One day even a paint tin fell on myself and I was full of paint guys. Can you imagine that? But as I did it again and again, and now when I just stir the paint guys, I come to know that it is the right mixture. I come to know if the mixture is too thick or too thin, or if it is the right mixture. That is where your experience comes into play, guys. You can't just mix the paint for one day and come to know that it is the right mixture. That is the reason why there is a process to mix the paint, and that I show in my course exactly what to do. And if you do just that, guys, you will get the correct and the best mixture that you can put in your spray gun and spray on the panel. So if you are interested, go down below and get yourself enrolled. And moving on to the third tip. And the third tip is, guys, take care of your compressor. Yes, guys, your first major investment is having a nice compressor in your garage. You get the compressor, you keep it in a corner, you connect the air line, you connect the electricity line, and you forget about it, guys. You just turn it on while using and you turn it off once you are done using. And you don't even look at the compressor. Now this compressor has some amount of maintenance to be carried out, guys. You'll have to change the oil, you'll have to drain the water regularly, and if you don't do these things, then your compressor is not going to last for long. The compressor is like a heart of auto body and painting, guys, and you should keep it healthy and running smoothly. And to do that, you'll have to do the maintenance of your compressor, guys. You'll have to change the oil, you'll have to drain the water, you'll have to clean the compressor regularly, and like this, you can take care of your compressor. Because if you don't take care of it, it is going to rust. Your compressor engine is going to fail. Your air intake is going to choke up. So all these things you should know, guys. Now how to set up your air line, your electricity line, and how to take care of your compressor, I have shown all these things and I teach all these things inside of my course, guys. If you are interested, then go down below and get yourself enrolled. Moving on to the fourth tip. And the fourth tip is take care of your spray guns. Yes, guys. The second major investment after the compressor is your spray gun, guys. And these spray guns are expensive, and your spray guns can last for a long time, guys. It is like an investment for lifetime, guys. But they can only last for long if you take care of them. And how to take care of them? You'll have to clean them regularly. You'll have to clean them after each use. Now some painters are lazy, guys. Now just imagine that you are a shop owner. You buy an expensive spray gun and you give it to your painter. Now because your painter has not paid for that spray gun, he doesn't know the value of it. He will use it and then he'll get lazy and he'll say, okay, I'll wash the spray gun tomorrow. But tomorrow when he comes to wash the spray gun, guys, the material inside has turned rock hard. And when the material inside your spray gun turns that hard, guys, it is not easy to clean that spray gun. It is almost like your spray gun is spoiled. So if you are an auto body painter, then it is your responsibility, guys, to clean the spray gun after each use. So learn to take responsibility from the first day. Now how to clean the spray guns, I already teach that inside of my course, guys. You can go there and master the art of auto body and painting. And with that, let's move on to the fifth tip. And the fifth tip is keep your spray booth clean, guys. Yes, guys, like how you keep your compressor clean, like how you keep your spray gun clean, you should also keep your spray booth clean. Because when you are spraying the paint, guys, your spray gun blows out high pressured air from the spray gun with the paint. And if your spray booth is dusty, then all that dust will flow out in the air. And guess what will happen, guys? All that dust is going to settle on your paint because your paint is still tacky and your entire paint job will be messed up, guys. And just imagine how expensive material you have used on your paint job. Now in some shops, the body preparation is done outside and the spray booth is kept separately. Like that, the spray booth stays clean. But when you are just starting out, guys, you don't even have a spray booth. Now what you are going to do? Because you are going to do your sanding, your body preparation in the same place where you are going to spray the paint. So in this type of situation, guys, every time after sanding, after the painting, you will have to clean the spray booth every now and then. Now how do I know all these things? Now because I have created a course, guys, I have not upgraded my garage. I have still kept it as it is. My spray booth and my body preparation area is in the same place. Because when you are just starting out and when you just join the course, you are going to be in that same situation. You will have to do your body preparation in the same garage, and in the same garage you will have to do the paint job as well. How to set up the spray booth, I have already made a video on that. I also teach it inside of my course. So now you don't have to go anywhere to learn all these things, guys. You can learn them from the comfort of your home. And you can practice, fail many times, learn from your mistakes, and start getting professional-like results. And with that, let's move on to the sixth tip. And the sixth tip is, guys, never stop learning. Yes, guys, always keep your mind open for new stuff. New stuff means keep your mind open to keep learning new things. Because I have seen many painters, guys. When you give them a tip, they will say, "Oh, who are you to tell me? I know everything. You don't tell me that." This is the attitude that they have, guys. And this is the reason why they don't upgrade themselves and they don't know the latest technology in the market. So always keep learning new things about your skill, guys. Keep upgrading yourself. Get all the knowledge possible. But when you get all the knowledge, guys, don't just keep it like that. Put it into practice. When you put it into practice, that is the time you really learn and gain something from it. So be a student for life, guys. Even I am open for learning, guys. If somebody shares a nice tip inside of my comments, I practice it. I see if it works. If it works, I come and share with you guys here. If it doesn't work, then I forget about it. So never stop learning, guys, and always be ready to learn new things. And with that, let's move on to the 7th tip, guys. And the 7th tip is always use a filter while pouring the mixture into a spray gun cup. It is a very important thing, guys, because when you mix the mixture, you will feel that your mixture is nice and it doesn't have anything else or no impurities. And if you pour that mixture directly into your spray gun cup, guys, and when you start to spray the paint, after few sprays, your spray gun will start to choke up. Your spray pattern will be affected, your fan width will be affected, and everything is going to mess up, guys. What you'll have to do next is, you'll have to empty your spray gun cup and you'll have to wash your spray gun again, and then you'll have to pour your mixture again into your spray gun cup. So you don't want to waste that much time, guys. So always use a cloth filter or a paper filter before pouring the mixture into your spray gun cup. Now the cloth filter is a cheaper option, guys, and the paper filter are slightly expensive and they are very difficult to get as well. But you can still use them if you are getting them for cheap and close by to your house. But if you don't get them, it's okay, you can use the cloth filter. Like this, you can maximize your profit. There's no harm done to the paint job, only you are saving on that simple cloth filter. You are still using the filter, but it is a slightly cheaper option. To pour the mixture through a paper filter, it is slightly convenient, and to pour the mixture with the cloth filter, it's slightly inconvenient, but it's okay, you can save some money there. So guys, those were the 7 tips that can help you in auto body and painting. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raison Finance signing out until we meet again.